I'm the Bollywood blogger Miss Malini. My dream is that one day we're going to have a Miss Malini production house and it's going to be amazing. So I've got film strips on my hand. And like I said, I'm a really filmy girl. I love everything to do with films. I like quoting Bollywood dialogues on the regular, and that's why I've got film strips on my nails. Hi, I'm Swagata Nam. I'm a Bollywood blogger with Miss Malini, and I'm that crazy filmy girl who breathes Bollywood and romance. My dream is to be the biggest film journalist the country has ever seen, and I think Miss Malini is the most perfect platform for that. So I have got rose painted on my nails. So I've got these done because I always have my invisible rose tinted glasses on. I like to look at the world through those, and everything is rosy and sweet for me. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Shrimi Verma. I'm the pop culture blogger at Miss Malini's. My dream is to write a book. I don't know about what, but like to write a book, and hopefully, my experiences will make it a better book, in case I'm making any sense. And yeah, my nail art is this. It's a combination of two colors I really like, black and purple. And it's simple, it's common, but it's sweet. And that is how I think I am.
Hi, I'm Priyam. I'm the TV and Bollywood blogger at Miss Malini. I think I am like the chill girl. I'm not fussy, I think. And my nail art is starry, like I have little stars on my nails. And I think that is a little bit me because it's simple, it's not too much, and it's chill, like I am. My dream at Miss Malini is, I think it'd be great if we can have like an annual Miss Malini festival, and that'd be pretty fun. And yeah, that's it.
Hi, I'm Shifa and I'm the fashion blogger at Miss Malini's World. My today's nail art is an Aztec print.
Okay.
I'm absolutely in love with boho chic fashion, and that's why the Aztec. I think my personality is very happy-go-lucky, hippie type, and my one dream at Miss Malini is to have Cara Delevingne, the hottest model in the world, to come over and have Miss Malini interview her.
Hi, my name is Anushka and I'm the fashion blogger at Miss Malini. My dream would be for Miss Malini to start her own magazine and to be the editor of it, because I love that. And I'm always on the lookout for something different, which is why my nails have these inverted triangles instead of the usual tips that everyone gets. I'm that girl who stalks everyone's fashion choices and everyone's style and has something to say about it all the time.
Hi, I'm Gigi. I'm a designer and I like making things and I like bright, colorful things, and that's what's on my finger. And I'm very rude and I say inappropriate things sometimes, that's why it's on the wrong finger. And my dream is one day that I would make beautiful clothes and beautiful jewelry and everybody would dance around in it.
Hi, I'm Miss Malini and I'm a blogger, and of course my personality is sort of girly and fun and I love to party, and I'm Optimus Prime and I'm very geek chic, which is why my nails are hashtags. And my dream is to build the biggest blogging empire, which is on its way, and build an amazing Oprah-like network for Miss Malini's World.